Hi everyone, my name is Lorenzo Murzilli. I'm co-founder of DroneTalks, and I'm here with Michael Anger, CTO of Unisphere. Hi Michael, how are you?
Hey, great, thank you, Lorenzo.
Excellent. Me and you go a long way back, so we will go in a friendly way this time. But I would like to yourself to introduce to our audience. Who are you? What is Unisphere? What are you doing? Give us a bit of a background.
Yes. So my name is Michael Langer. I'm from Unisphere. Basically, we are providing a drone operations platform in order to automate operations, flight operations, and we clearly target drone operators, help them to scale, and yeah, these are our services.
Excellent. Give us a bit of a rundown of your actual product. I understood before we chatting before the live interview, you have several different product lines, probably two. And exactly what do you do?
Yeah, we have two main products, I would say. One is really building digital twins around flight operations. We do trajectory predictions, so we build a digital twin of your flight operation, which means weather intelligence, being compliant during the operation with your operational limits, like you get from SOLA, but also the drone limitations. You can feed that into the system, and you get an automatically evaluated forecast for decision making for the autonomous vision of the future, let's say.
Excellent. And the second product?
The second product is that we use this digital twin to do early validations to business cases. So basically, when you run your flight trajectories using historic weather data over the last 5 years, for example, you can clearly get a view on how often would I be able to fly in a certain region, what are the main conditions which prohibit that, and you can either adapt your design of the drone, or if you are an investor, you can check if your investment really makes sense in that area and where to deploy first.
Excellent. So let me try and simplify and re-say it and maybe go a little bit more in detail. So say I'm a vertiport planner and I want to put a vertiport somewhere. But what you're saying is I come to you and you tell me whether the location is good. From a weather point of view or else?
More. I mean, as a vertiport infrastructure provider, you want to basically build a vertiport which is agnostic to a variety of eVTOLs. So you come with kind of a limit set. You know the eVTOLs can sustain this and that wind. They're able to have this gustiness. They have these temperature conditions, and basically we can tell you where to place this vertiport on a city scale, but also on a global scale. So meaning we do large-scale analysis, which tells you is it better to launch in Miami or in Singapore, and what these locations would look like for the daily flight operations.
And what do you do for drone manufacturers? How can they use your service?
For drone manufacturers, it's a bit different because they are more interested in how to design the drone to have a highly reliable and available service. So basically, we can tell them what the typical wind situations are in certain regions, and if they go into a new region, if their machine will still be able to cope with that winds or these operational conditions at this place.
Excellent. And these products are available now? Are you in development phase? Where are you with the product roadmap?
Oh, actually, we on this first product, the service availability prediction, using the digital twin, they are used since 2 years already. One example is Matternet in Swiss Post, and others, mainly for their daily flight planning, but also the products are used for flight testing, identification of flight windows with very specific parameters. You can set up as a user yourself, really find the flight window over the next 7 days, and be sure that you are also compliant with your aircraft configuration. These products are live since 2 years. And on the second product is service availability, operational analytics, as we call it. We have this product since 1 year. We are open to get new customers, so we work with a lot of vertiport companies already, but happy to have more, certainly. Yeah.
Right. So I guess pretty much everybody's going to have this problem one day or another. So reach out to Mickey, I guess, to start to find solutions for it. Give us a bit of horizon, like what are you going to do in 5 years from now, 3 years from now? Where do you see your company? Where do you see the industry?
So at the moment we are self-funded, so organically grown in the end. So we are 14 by now in the southern part of Germany. The next step on the software as a service side for us is to really broaden the platform in terms of features. So you will be able really to have logbooks, you have compliance, you have your documents online, weather intelligence. So basically really feeding this digital twin for your flight operation. And we will expand just with the operator. So our main, let's say, targets would be the drone airlines of the future. And as you know, there are not many which are at a level and mature enough to already understand this complexity of the operation. But these are the partners we work with in the future.
Excellent. Well, Michael, thank you very much. I guess it was interesting for me to learn about your products, and I'm sure it's going to be interesting for our audience. So thank you very much, man.
Thank you, Lorenzo.